Point hand launch right here. Versatility to Solo Skiff. Very nice, a lot easier than the Mexico. Pulling through the sand and the launching down there. But good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your buddy Mikey here, SD Fishing Tips. And we're at Saturday, January 8th, 2022. And I'm in beautiful Dana Point, California. Dana Point Harbor. First time here, first time fishing here. Met up with Glenn with San Dog and Matt Anglers. Gonna be fishing with those guys in the bay today. More wintertime bay fishing. I was there yesterday, San Diego Bay, doing my thing. And we're gonna be doing the same for halibut and bass around here to get some live bait, drift that around the sardines on the San Dog rig, and then throw the plastic. Only bringing 2 setups. Fish finder, got the paddle. I can't use the motor here to launch. It's the morning time, about 7:30. Tide's gonna be coming in till about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Let's see what we can make happen. Keep exploring, keep adventuring. Here in Dana Point now, Orange County, the birds. But before we get into the rest of the video for today, please make sure, hit that subscribe button, pound that like button, show love and support for the channel. Thank you all. Let's go. There you go, let's do it. Hand launch only, no motors.
I didn't know you could mount an outboard on those things.
What's that?
I didn't know you could mount an outboard on that. That's awesome.
On this, yeah, this one, the Solo Skiff, you can.
Dude, that's
but
awesome.
Yeah, not all. You gotta make sure it's got the right transom and the design. Yeah, but this has been a total dream.
Dude, that thing
total
is awesome.
Game changer. Yeah.
That's quite a rig.
What's up, brother?
You don't get it.
It's not 50.
It's a little rough out there.
It's 54.
Yeah, why you got the jacket on? Yeah.
Well, it's still a little cold. But I have sandals on, not shoes and
You
socks.
don't have booties
No
and
booties today. And you missed the whole crew this morning.
Oh no, I was with them. I was flying my drone for them.
Oh, okay. You were sitting over here. All right.
Okay.
Good.
So, all good stuff.
Yes.
All right, getting into the area where I can turn my motor on once I turn this corner, and then the bait barge is down at the end past the bridge. Then you got the ocean on the outside of the jetty. Over on the other side of this jetty over there, you go around, there's an island kind of in the middle, and then there's another opening on the jetties all the way down at the end. All right, so go get bait, meet up with the guys, with Matt Anglers and Glenn, San Dog, and see what's good. Let's get it. Dana Point fishing now, Solo Skiff. Okay, time to get the motor fired up. Fish finder turned on. Bait tank. All right, bait tank's turned on. Everything's all good. Let's get making the approach to the bait barge. I don't see where they're at. I'm gonna give them a call. See if I can get a couple pieces of bait so I don't have to buy my own. You know how I like to do it with that free bait. Let's see it. Glenn, you got a copy? Pick me up, Glenn. It's Mikey. I'm just going by the bait barge. Where are you guys at? 10-4, thank you. See you in a little bit. All right, sounds like they've already made their way out of the harbor and to the south. I thought I was gonna be doing all bay fishing like I was yesterday, so I got the same rigs. Might have to switch it up. Maybe there's bigger halibut on the outside. This guy's got a cool little rig right there for the jetty. All right, I see one guy. Where are they? There they are. I think they're all the way down at the end. Oh no, they're all over there. Dang, they went some crazy spots. Nice. There we go, there's the entrance, the mouth. Got the big long break wall here. Reminds me kind of a Long Beach, Cabrillo, San Pedro break wall. Got Dana Point headlands up there. It's down south towards San Diego. And then all the guys in the crew are out there. I'm gonna go see what's good. I thought we were fishing inside the bay for halibut, but we're gonna be fishing outside, I guess. Maybe they know a reef over here. Let's see what we can get into. Maybe a white sea bass. You never know. Woo-wee. Almost out of the 5-mile-an-hour zone. Got the sailboat taking off. Got the Solo Skiff taking off here in Orange County, Dana Point. Starting off 2022. Little Adventures, Southern California. It's a beautiful sunrise. Whew. Ah, get it! What's good?
You got your fish finder?
Yep.
Waypoint this spot. This is the pipe.
Oh, that's what I was wondering what spot this is.
Yeah, I just did it a minute ago.
I'm gonna mark it right here pretty much.
Yep, right here. As soon as we stopped, we got, well, we didn't all, I missed one, a guy got a sand bass, another guy missed one, so.
Any halibut maybe?
I don't know, the first one I missed, I think might have been a halibut. The second one I think was just a little bass.
I'm gonna do, if I get a sand bass, I wanna do a catch clean cook.
Do it.
With sand bass, yeah. A lot of people underestimate. I think it's a good,
I used to eat sand bass all the time.
yeah, it's a classic San Diego fish.
Dude, I used to take those fillets, throw it in a piece of foil with like onions, bell peppers, garlic, salt, pepper, blah, 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 and just put it on the grill
Yeah.
with some butter, and let's let it sit there, dude.
Yep.
Delicious.
Can I get a couple pieces of bait?
Oh, yeah, dude.
All right, let's see what's the bait look like.
Dude, it looks good. It's slimy.
Yeah, that's good, dude. Yep.
Oh, you fucking.
That's what you want. All right, there we go.
It's broke off. That's okay, over here. That one's on camera. Fired up. And if you want to, like, I don't know, some decent footage, just like knowledge-wise stuff, Josh, like, take it out there. Dude, that guy will talk to you about how to fly kites, like, he worked at a bait shop for years. Like, he.
Oh, really?
Dude, so.
What'd you say his name is?
His name's Josh. Josh Mann.
Josh. Kayak fishing after. Well, I'll talk to him. I'll ask him about it. Yeah, so he probably knows Ross, man, and some of the other guys. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna put on a bigger swim, a tube bait. Has anyone else been getting any bites? Grinding the pipe, bro! Hitting the pipe! That pipe life. Dang, I just got big time halibut rake right there, it looks like. And drop back down, mark this spot. Wants to take it. Something down there. This halibut is destroying me, this halibut. Look at this one, came back. Neck snapper. Rakes on the tail end. Come on. See what's down here. Nice fat halibut. Dana Point halibut, that's what I want. Let's go. Right on the spot where I marked where I got the first rake at. Check the drag. Pretty loose. All right, here we are. It's 11:30. Up tight to the beach here by Doheny State Beach. Just dragging those sardines, pounding, sniffing out the halibut. Lost a bunch of them earlier, a bunch of baits to halibut further out. And now we're close to the inside. Let's see what we can make happen. Let's get it. Hook up on the halie. Big old sand bass. All right, there it is. Got the sand bass. Took the live sardine on that San Dog rig. Swallowed it deep though. There it is. Getting the sand bass on the RUNCL Titan II spinner. Just doing work. Liking this reel a lot. Really smooth, really nice. Pulled this guy out of the kelp, made it happen. Wrap it up here on the inside and then heading back out to the spot where I got all those rakes on the halibut earlier. See if we could pull a halibut out before we leave. Let's go. It's about 12:30 right now. Just working hard, pounding hard. That's it, that's all for outside Dana Point here. Launched with Matt Anglers and San Dog Glen this morning. Made my way out, played around with some halibut that was just raking my bait, taking my bait, the sardine, live sardine on the bottom. I was fishing the RUNCL spinner, and then I went over to the shallows, met up with the guys there, and nabbed myself a sand bass. Keeper sand bass from the shallows. So we'll cook that up. Catch, cook, clean winter sand bass here in San Diego. Dana Point, actually, Orange County. So let's make our way back in, pack the gear up, go back to San Diego. Fun times, doing a little traveling. Make sure you hit that subscribe, pound that like, show love and support. Thank you. Let's go. You. Coming back in, that's what we're looking at. We got the bait barge straight ahead. And then down that way is Baby Beach where we launched. Got some boats cruising out. Lots of sailboats in this area. Saw one half-day fishing boat out there. A couple center consoles, private boats going out. It's all good. All right, here we go. We're going catch, clean, cook with the Dana Point sand bass, wintertime sand bass. We're gonna take it like a fish cut behind the gills, along the back, get 2 nice fillets, put them in the foil pouch. Got it, our 2 fillets on the foil, getting ready for the pouch. We'll bring this inside, prepare the pouch, get it ready to go. We're doing sand bass in the foil pouch, bomba style. Next up, I'm gonna prepare this sand bass in this foil pouch. I got my 2 fillets made right here on the pouch. I'm gonna do some olive oil. Some of these Moroccan preserved lemons that my dad gave me. I'm gonna do a little bit of some of this. Got some onion, got some garlic, pepper, and pink Himalayan salt. So let's go ahead and get this prepared up. Got the onions right there. So there it is. Got the sand bass, San Diego or Dana Point winter sand bass in the foil pouch prepared here. I got Moroccan preserved lemons, some onions. I got some olive oil put on it, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, put it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. See how it turns out. Bam. See how it turns out. In about 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the sand bass in the foil pouch. See how it's coming along. It's been about 15, 17 minutes or so right now. We're gonna open it up. See that steam coming off of it. Woo! What do we got? Looks like it's nicely cooked all the way through. Very, very moist, tender. Got some of these lemons, some of these onions, some of the sand bass, some of the fish. Chow down on this. You loving it, winter sand bass. Let's go. In the pouch.